Wait, what's your group name?
Oh my God.
We can beat that!
That's a group name?
Group 2!
Group 2.
We're group 3.
Crap, alright, we're Team Rabbit Farmers because we're hair raising, alright?
You go, Bobby, you go, Bobby.
Go for it. It's never been tested before. So. You guys ready?
Take your ball. Let's go. Whoa! Where'd you go, Bobby?
Hold on.
BJ's on the deal.
BJ's on the deal. Oh God.
Uh-oh. Yeah. That's a good one. That's a good one.
Hey, there has to be a tiebreaker at the end. I didn't know you could throw it that hard.
Go. Whoa. Good one.
You got this.
I'd like to see
I never want to graduate.
All right, we're Team 5. We have no creative.
Hey, we need to have finals and semi-finals.
Whoa. Good one.
All right, here we go. Best for last.
Let's go, Bobby. Oh!
Team Jonah can go to semi-finals, right?
Totally. You know.
I'm ready.
We have to win the game.
Everyone grab your airplane.
Come on.
Group 5. Who's Group 5? Oh.
Zach, Bobby. Good job, Bobby.
Thanks, man. It's a close second.
All right, Group 1. Where's your egg? All right, bring it over.
Say goodbye.
These are good plays.
All right, Group 1's egg is going up.
Okay. All right, this is Group 1.
That was a great room.
We're going to cut them open with some as well. We're going to cut it open at the end.
Okay, wait, he's throwing it at the wall?
I thought he was dropping it from a chair.
That's what I thought.
We changed it.
All right, Broken Egg Cafe. Whoa! Holy cow!
It's broken.
Egg broken!
Oh, it's so fun.
It's broken. It's
It's
cracked.
not.
It's cracked.
Yay! No, it's not.